Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Picked this up in Children's Hospice Southwest out at Yate. I looked at it a couple of times before deciding to actually buy it. Venom remote control VN47 Battlehawks combat drones. 2.4 GHz, 4 channel, 2 infrared battle drones. It's 2.4 GHz control, but when they shoot each other they use infrared. Range 35 meters, 360 degree stunts, outdoor and indoor. That's because it's 2.4 GHz, you can use it outdoor. 8-minute flight time, infrared lasers. Now, I did actually have a look at this last night because I bought this yesterday, and I've charged them up and I've flown them, but I put them back in the box because I was hoping to go and try these out outdoors, and things haven't turned out quite as I expected today, so we're back home again and they're still fully charged in the box. So if I can remember how to open the box, which would be handy. Oh, that's the sealed side, so that must be the unsealed side. Oh, let's look at the picture first. Yeah, no idea who makes them. It'll be a generic one. On the end here, Hawkin's Bazaar. That's who's imported them and branded them and sold them. No doubt made in China. Yes, so I had a little go with them last night. They're quite nippy little things. I bought them because I thought it might be something my grandsons could play with when we go on holiday later this month with them. I'm going to be in a caravan, and I thought they could fight each other, which they like to do anyway. The only thing is, having flown them, I'm not entirely sure whether they'll be alright in the caravan. So, they are fully charged. They've got little LiPo batteries in them. The charge lead. In fact, does that slide out? Yeah, let's have a look, see what it says. I can't quite read what that says there. It's right on one of the lines. Oh, 250 milliamp hour. Yeah, okay. That's the chargers. There's 2 of them, so you can charge them both at the same time. A selection of spare propellers and the instructions, which I have read, unusually for me. V47 Battlehawks. Okay, so we'll just choose one of them. It's probably one of those things you're supposed to put the controller on first, but right, so he's on. Let's put the other one out of the way. Switch it on. Looks like we're bound. There's 3 speed settings: normal, fast and faster. I was flying it on the normal mode and that was fast enough for me. These 2 buttons are the auto takeoff and auto landing, but you can do it without that. Those 2 buttons, oh, let's look at the instructions trying to remember, rather than trying to remember. The ones on the right are the trim buttons, and that one there is your loop the loop, or what you want to call it, 360. Okay, oh yeah, right, speed select, that one. Headless mode is that one. Number 2. Number 3 is your up, down and rotate. And that one's your forwards, backwards, left, right. Here we are, 5 and 6, 1 key stop, 1 key start. So 5, 1 key stop, 6, 1 key start. So auto take off, trim, 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 and then that one there is lights on off. Only we haven't banged it yet. I thought we had. It's off, down, on. Yeah, we should be bound. Let's try. It's going to jump up in the air and make a mess of things, but we'll try it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that works. We'll have a little go, but I'll go to the hat camera to do it. Right, hat camera on, and it started raining hard outside, so it might be quite noisy. Let's see if we can take off again. Okay. Okay, drifting a little bit to the right. Drifting backwards a bit. Right, okay, we are flying. Obviously I can't fly 2 at once and demonstrate them fighting. So let's just see if we can. They are a little bit twitchy, I think is the best way to put it. So I can't quite imagine my grandson's getting the hang of this, because the younger one's only 6 or 7. Oh, the other thing I noticed flying it last night is when it does bang into something, it seems to have some sort of auto response that it tries to go back to where it was, same height and same setting. Let's see if I can just bang into that wall and see what happens. Yeah, see, it sort of corrects itself after it hits something, which is quite handy. Sort of a bit of a fail-safe. Whoa, I don't think it's going to recover from that. It's under the table. No, it got itself caught up in the wires there, so it definitely wouldn't have recovered. Don't know if we can do a hand launch. seems to have lost the trim that I've done. Okay, how about some tricks? Yeah, can do that. Whoop, come back here. So we do tricks and we can fly around. And when we hit things, it tries to reset itself, although it can't when it's jammed down behind things. So, off we go again. Yeah, this one definitely drifts backwards. And left a bit. Oh, battery's running out. Flashing lights. Oh. See, it's trying to reset itself. Yeah, so there you go. It works, even with my pretty rubbish experience. So pleased with that. £12. Don't know how much they are brand new. Probably not much more than that, I don't know. But it looks like it might be a bit of fun for my grandsons. Although this one definitely needs a bit of trimming every time. Yeah. So that'll be our holiday package. Something to do. I will have to fly the other one to run the battery down again. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.